I'm here with my SabotHeat mini oven and some Thanksgiving leftovers. Let's see how fast and how well the SabotHeat reheats this. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So yesterday was Thanksgiving and I have a whole bunch of leftovers in my refrigerator, and I was out the majority of the day today. I just got home. I am really hungry, and I thought I would put together this plate of food for myself, or this container of food for myself, and heat it up in the SabotHeat, and let's see how fast and well it reheats these leftovers. So on the left I have some roasted turkey. Next to it I have some green beans. Next to that I have some cauliflower and some red cabbage. And this is what I will be reheating. I'm going to put some foil over the top and then put this in the SabotHeat. I'm just loosely covering it with foil. Here's the SabotHeat. Putting it inside and zipping it up. So I'm setting the timer for 60 minutes. And we're going to put it on level 6, which is the highest level. I'm hoping to eat this in 30 minutes, but I set it to 60 just in case I don't get to it within 30 minutes. So we'll see what happens. I really hope this heats the food within an hour. I'm down to 15 minutes left on the SabotHeat, so it's been on for about 45 minutes now. I took care of everything that I needed to do, and now I can open this up, and hopefully it will be hot enough to eat and enjoy. There it is. There's the leftovers. Let me just take a green bean. Yeah. Very nice. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I'm very happy. Let me try a little bit of this turkey. Very hot. So when it comes to heating up leftovers, the SabotHeat does a really great job. In 45 minutes, this food is really hot. It's not just mildly warm, it's like really hot. So I'm going to take it out of the SabotHeat and enjoy it. And maybe the next time I try to reheat something, I'll check on it in 30 minutes. So it's day 2 of heating up leftovers in the SabotHeat. I just heated these up on level 6 for 30 minutes this time. And they're definitely not as hot as 45 minutes. The turkey is a good temperature. The green beans are nice and warm. But for some reason, the cauliflower is not really hot, especially this top corner here. It's like slightly warm. The green beans also could be a little bit warmer. And then turkey too. By all means, it's not cold. It's definitely warm, but it's not like a really hot meal. At 45 minutes, you get a really hot meal, which is very nice. But for 30 minutes, just to heat something up, I think that's okay too. My preference would probably be somewhere in between. Unfortunately, with the SabotHeat timer, it will only do like 30 minutes or 60 minutes, and I just happened to unplug it at 45 minutes yesterday. So moving forward, I'd probably set it for like 60 minutes and then set another timer for like, I don't know, 35 or 40 minutes. I think that would be really good. But it does do its job. In 30 minutes, it definitely warmed up the leftovers much quicker than a Hot Logic would have. So I'm happy with that. And whenever I want to heat up some leftovers more quickly, I'll be using this one instead. So thanks so much for watching. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.